There are many objects in the global environment. Next, you will learn how to manage those objects. It is possible you want to save those objects so that you can access them in another R session. To save all the objects in the global environment, you will use the save.image function. When you make a call to the save.image function, you will provide either the name of the file you want to save the image to or the path to the file where you want to save the image to. If the file does not already exist, R will create the file and save the images to the image to the file. For instance, I will save the image to the file env dot r data. If I do this, then this file env.data.rdata will appear in the current working directory. That is because I have not provided an absolute path to a file I want to save the image to. env.data.rdata now appears in the current working directory. I can now clear all the objects in the global environment, and in a subsequent session I can use the load command to load all those objects from this file to the global environment. And that's it. Those objects have been loaded from the env.data.rdata file back to the global environment. It is possible to remove a single object from the global environment. For instance, to remove John_list, I'll just run the command rm John_list, and John_list have been removed from the global environment. It's also possible I just want to save some of the objects, not all of the objects in the global environment. To save some of the objects in the global environment, I'll use the save command. Assuming I just want to save student_data and students, I'll provide those objects as arguments to the save command. You can provide any number of objects here, but they should be separated with comma, and after that you can provide a value to the file argument. So this value is adata dot rdata. So rdata here is the file extension in which the data will be saved. The name of the file will be adata. If I execute this statement, then a file adata.rdata should now be in the current working directory. If I clear all the objects in the global environment, I could easily load those two objects from the adata.rdata file. So I'll use the load command, and those objects are now in the global environment.